In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card in Zoho Books. This tutorial will walk you through the seamless steps to set up your credit card in Zoho Books and start managing your finances more effectively in just a few minutes. To kick things off, open your preferred web browser and search for Zoho in the search bar. Once you hit enter, you'll be presented with various search results. Look specifically for the link featuring the zoho.com URL. Typically, this should be among the first few results. Click on this link, and it'll take you to the Zoho homepage. Now you need to either log into your existing Zoho account or sign up if you haven't done so already. This will grant you access to the suite of productivity tools Zoho offers. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, locate Zoho Books from the navigational panel or search it in the search bar if necessary. Once you're in Zoho Books, you'll be brought to the dashboard that provides a synopsis of your financial data. Direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar, where you'll see a list of different modules. Find and select the banking module from this list. With the banking module open, look towards the top right corner of your screen for a button labeled Add Bank or Credit Card. Click on this button to proceed to the next step. This is where you'll be given the option to connect bank feeds automatically for supported banks or manually add your credit card information. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on adding your credit card manually. So, we'll click on the Add Account option. After selecting Add Account, you'll be prompted to specify the type of account you want to add. Here, choose Credit Card as the account type. This step is crucial as it ensures that Zoho Books categorizes your transactions correctly. Next, you'll want to fill in the necessary details for your credit card account. This includes entering the account name, which serves as the label for your card, and the account code, a unique identifier to help organize your accounts better. Follow this by selecting the currency your account will operate in, which is important for any international transactions you may have. You will also need to provide your account number. For accuracy and security, double-check this information. Similarly, enter the bank name and bank identifier code, which can typically be found on your credit card statement or directly from your bank. Feel free to add a brief description that might make identifying this account easier in the future. Once you've completed entering all the information, look for the Save button. Clicking this will confirm and store your credit card details in Zoho Books, making it ready for tracking and managing transactions seamlessly within the platform. And there you have it. You've successfully added your credit card to Zoho Books, equipping you with an efficient way to monitor and manage your financial transactions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.